This is Najam from Treelink Solutions. Today we have a product for the unboxing, which is Sangfor Internet Access Management. So we will do unboxing of this device. Basically, this is a network device which is Sangfor IAM, which is Internet Access Management. So the device is it is a professional device used for internet bandwidth management, application control, URL filtering, traffic control, information control, and for illegal hotspot or proxy control, and behavior analysis of the network. On the other hand, the device is also used for wireless network management and many other features which can be truly helpful to achieve a unified internet behavior management of all clients in the entire network. So now let's open this device. So we have after removing the outer box, we have an inside box. Open that. Nice packaging. So this is another box that contains the accessories of this device, and well, the other one is the actual internet access management device, Sangfor IAM. So first of all, we will look at the accessories that we have that's included in the box. So this is the accessories. So that's the standard gateway application packaging list that contains like the product information, like the product contains 2 network cables. These are the 2 network cables. This is basically straight through cable, which is used to connect the Sangfor device, internet access management device, with our LAN network. And the other one is the crossover cable that is used to connect the Sangfor device with the firewall or with the router, or you could say we could connect, we use this device for the WAN network. The other one is the power cord. That's the power cord for the device to power up the device. The other one is the warranty card, certification, and 2 lugs used to mount the device. So these are the accessories in the box. Let's put aside. Now to see the actual device. So basically this is Sangfor Internet Access Management device. With respect to its dimension, this is a 1U unit, having a firewall throughput of around 210 Mbps. Then application layer throughput is 160 Mbps, and it support around 600 concurrent users, maximum 600 concurrent users. For example, if you have an organization or a university or a small organization, that have maximum 600 concurrent users, you could use this device for internet access management. The other thing, specification of this device is it can support up to 45,000 concurrent connection TCP connections, or it has around 2 GB RAM with 128 GB SSD, and the maximum power the device utilizes is around 150 watt, and the operating temperature is 0 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius, and with respect to its weight, it's around 4.2 kgs 4.2 kgs. This device weight is around 4.2 kgs, which is like okay. So if we talk about the ports, Sangfor IAM Internet Access Management ports, it has console port. This is the console port used for high availability functions or for the redundant system. And this one is, you could say, this is that one is the uh, WAN 2 port, or network interface to be defined as the WAN interface, or Ethernet 1 is the DMZ port, network interface to be defined as the DMZ interface. This one, Ethernet 2, is the WAN interface 1, and that one, Ethernet 0, is the LAN interface. But the best thing of this device is like you could use each and every port of this device to be as LAN port or to be as WAN port. For example, we have 4 ports. All of the ports could be used as LAN, and all ports could be used as a WAN port. Now, these are 2 USB ports for software upgrade, or any other, like if you export any type of reports, you could use this device like USB port to export or import the configuration, intuitive reports, and everything. So here we have 3 LEDs, like number one is HA, high availability, the other one is power, and the last one is alarm. These are basically power indicators or alarm indicators used like to see the current situation of this device. Now, in order to connect this device, like to deploy, we have like multiple deployment methods. Like you could deploy this device in like as a routed mode, or you could deploy this device as in a bridge mode, or in a single arm mode, or transparent mode. But the recommended mode is like bridge mode, in which it is like you could deploy this device in a bridge mode without changing any network configuration. You just plug in the device, like port number 1 you could connect it with the LAN network, and the port number 2 you could connect with the WAN interface, and you could monitor the whole network without any network configuration changes. And the best thing of this device is, for example, if the device somehow unfortunately power off, but the traffic still pass on. For example, the device is connected with the gateway router, and the other LAN port is connected with the core switch. So if the device power off, still traffic still continue to pass, because the IAM is equipped with a hard bypass mode, in which the traffic still pass even after the device power off. Now, with respect to its features, I will explain some of its features. For example, uh, you could use this device as a unified LAN plus WLAN management. For example, it provides one converged solution network for LAN plus wireless LAN network. You could use this device to visualize, control, and resolve the network issues. On the other hand, you could also access the network uh, authentication, and also it can be used for web access troubleshooting. The device has a troubleshoot center which like explains, or which you can use to visualize, to monitor the network issues, and to the device also give the proposed remedies to solve the issues. On the other hand, the device internet access management is used, for example, if you have slow browsing or web access issues in your network. It provides dynamic bandwidth allocation to provide. You could use this. It also provide network evaluation, analysis, recommendations, and pinpoint the solution with respect to bandwidth, bandwidth allocation, web access issues, or if you face slow browsing issues in your network. The best thing is it can detect and resolve user slow browsing issues or poor web access qualities before even the user launch a complaint to the IT department. So it's a very beneficial device with respect to slow browsing and web access issues. The device also lists down the network issues and suggestions for the improvements. It can also segregate, or you can use this device to prove the network, like to prove the users that the issues is related with the network, or the issues is related with the user computer. It also provide dynamic bandwidth management, or provide if you have a work related activity, you can segregate, or you can give it priority with respect to non work related activities. Now, the product Sangfor Internet Access Management is also used for user access management. For example, it has like 5,000 plus cloud-based cloud-based mobile web applications or URL based database, which is used. You could even control the applications, like for example, if we could control the Facebook, you could control even in the granular level, like you could block the download, and you could allow the upload, so the users could access the Facebook, but the user could not like use this web streaming, or it's not permissible to download any video from the Facebook. On the other hand, the device is used as for URL filtering and search engine control using its database and keywords respectively. You could also use this device to see the emails or instant messages the users using. For example, that if a network in a network, for example, if a user is send an email, you could see the attachment of that emails. The This type of facility, or the specification is used, the feature is used to prevent the data leakage. You could monitor, you could visualize each and every segment of your network, because the device provide granular level network monitoring for data information leakaging using dynamic flow control management. With respect to non-conventional authentication methods, for example, if you have an Active Directory, or you have an SSID broadcast, you could use this device to implement non-conventional authentication methods, like the users could be authenticated using Facebook, using LinkedIn, using WeChat, or you could also use this device to to authenticate the users using QR code. QR code authentication is also present in this device. The best thing the device, the IAM Internet Access Management, Sangfor Internet Access Management provides is its reporting. It's complete graphical, intuitive reporting system. It provides internet activity logs and reportings like all activities with respect to web browsing, file upload, internet messaging chats, email, incoming, outgoing, posting, microblogging, most popular applications with respect to access trends, most popular post and trend searches reporting. On the other hand, with respect to endpoint devices, logs and reportings, it could provide like reports with respect to connection sharings, trends, mobile endpoints, access like trends, most active users, total online users, ingress logs, anti-proxy and logging slash logout logout logs. It also provides reporting with respect to traffic statistics. Like you could use this device to get reports, traffic ranking, bandwidth distribution reporting with respect to per user or per application or URL and channel reporting also. The product also give the reporting with respect to network security, all type of security logs. Now, internet access management also have some other business business and value added services. For example, the device could be used as a internet billing. You could use this device to perform an internet billing, because IT department is a resource consuming department. So you could implement, or you could deploy this device, and you could make your IT department a resource generation department. The device also used uh, as a data analysis or high data analysis. You could use this device for as a to model the data for traffic shaping, data mining, user internet behavior for right decisions and network forecast. On the other hand, the device could also used as a power monitoring and electricity waste analysis. You could use this device to check which departments or which users are online in a specific department. So the device is also used as a remedy or as a power monitoring and waste analysis. So this is the total unboxing. If we see behind this device, we have like power inlet and on off button. So that's the unboxing of Sangfor Internet Access Management. In the next video, we will explain how to deploy this device and give its brief overview of its graphical user interface. Uh, so that's all for now.